Alright guys, I'm going to change this tensioner in the O'Reilly's parking lot. So you see that thing over next to the pulley that you put a 1/2 inch on here, and you release the tension, then you get your 13mm deep, get in between here, and get that bolt in between there that removes the tensioner. It's going to take a little minute to do it. So one thing you're going to want to do, disconnect both terminals on the battery if you sneak this thing out of here, because if it touches that, you're going to have fireworks. So once you have that out of the way, you can just pretty much just pull it right out of there, and you're good to go. Then take and put that rubber ring on there to keep the bolt from falling out. So here's our new one, here's our old one. Probably pretty cheap. It's made by Gates and it only has a 1-year warranty, which means they're not real proud of it. Yeah, make sure you line them pins up. So once you get all that in there, and then you just got to snake the belt in there, and what I do is I skip over this, but I put it on that first. Then just pull the tensioner and tuck it on down. So just like that. Pull your tensioner in and then slip the belt underneath that top pulley. And you're done. Like that. And then we can release it. There you go. Thanks for watching.